Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature a variety of one of the hottest trends that we've seen take the spotlight, and that is the butterfly haircuts. A lot of women are choosing to DIY this look themselves, but you can of course head to the salon to get it done as well. The butterfly haircut is a very popular style because it features a lot of layers and it really just makes the hair more volumized and stand out. It really gives some texture and movement to boring strands. Typically we see it on longer hair, but if you have shorter hair, you can also wear the look as well. Here we have someone doing a DIY version. Absolutely amazing. The key to achieving this look is really all in the styling. After you cut your hair, you want to make sure that you do a good blowout with the hair dryer as well as a roller set in order to make the layers that you just cut more pronounced and more noticeable. So here we have someone showing off their butterfly cut. And then we move on to someone else who is going to be attempting the same thing. Now this method does work better on longer hair. And then once again, she did that blowout in order to showcase her layers. Beautifully done. So we have someone with shorter hair attempting this method as well. She was able to create a nice amount of texture and body. And then we once again see someone with long hair attempting the method. Her cutting seems to me very professional, so she might actually be a stylist. But her hair is absolutely gorgeous. So one of the safest ways you can try this method is by cutting just a little bit from the ends, like this girl is doing here. Wow, absolutely stunning. And most often, the butterfly haircut will feature curtain-style bangs that end just around the jawline with several layers to follow. Make sure that if you are doing this method, you are using a good pair of scissors to get an even cut, as well as multiple ponytails. Another beautiful layered self DIY butterfly haircut. Then we have someone else with long hair attempting the trend. So she made an even ponytail at the top portion of her hair. Combed the hair all the way through. I really like how she's explaining and showing us how she's doing the butterfly cut. So here we have someone else. She has 2 ponytails as well. So she cut the top portion and she's going back in with the bottom. Wow, absolutely gorgeous results. And hers looks really voluminous and full. So we have someone else. She has the ponytails. Using the comb to help guide the hair with the scissors. Placing the hair in the second ponytail. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. So let us know in the comments below, will you be trying the butterfly haircut yourself? Do you plan on going to the salon? Or do you plan on doing it yourself? Let us know in the comments below and we will see you in the next video.